everyone, class 8 GK, chapter 35, sports and games. So students, in this chapter we study about the sports. Sports is an activity involving physical exertion and skills in which an individual or team competes against another or other for entertainments. स्पोर्ट्स क्या होता है? स्पोर्ट्स एक फिजिकल इन्वॉल्विंग एक्टिविटी होती है जिसमें स्किल्स होते हैं और ये या तो इनविजिबल खेला जाता है, इनविजिबल्स होते हैं, या तो टीम के साथ compete की जाती है दूसरे अदर टीम के साथ, और ये इंटरटेनमेंट के लिए भी होता है. So identify the pictographs and write the categories under these sports or the games fall. First number, games like basketball, soccer, rugby and volleyball that center around the throwing, kicking or striking of a ball are called the ball games. Games like squash, badminton, tennis and table tennis that are played within lines marked or on a hard surface are called the court games. Games like baseball, hockey and cricket that involve the use of a bat, stick or mallet to propel the ball toward the goal are called the stick and ball games. The sporting events like a horse riding, horse racing, polo, show jumping and carriage racing that involve people on horseback are called the equestrian sports. Sports like gymnastics, jumping, running and throwing that involve physical strength, skill and endurance are called the athletes. Sixth number, sports like boxing, fencing, martial arts and wrestling that involve fight and constant between the invisible or group are called the combat sports. Seventh number is games like archery, bowling, golf and shooting that involve coordination of hand, eye, in which players aims at a target are called the target games. Eighth number, sports like ice hockey, skating and skiing that are played on ice are called the winter sports. Sports like diving, surfing, swimming, water polo, water skiing and yachting that are played in or on the water are called the water sports. 10th number, sports like cycling, motor racing, motorcycling, railing and skating that use wheels are called the sports on wheels. So next है आपका take the correct answer. How many players are there on each side in a basketball match? 5. In tennis, a serve that an opponent falls to touch is ice. The terms LPW is associated with cricket, a sport in which an athlete uses a long flexible pole to jump over a high bar is polo vault. A sport in which a player has to throw a heavy ball of iron with all his her might is shot put. The first sports played on the moon is golf. How many players are there on each side in a saucer match? 11. How many squares are there in a chessboard? 64. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो चैप्टर है आपका, इसमें से आपको किसी भी गेम के बारे में लिखने के लिए आ सकता है, स्पोर्ट्स की डेफिनेशन लिखने के लिए आ सकती है, और इसके अलावा जो आपका ये चूज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन है, इसमें भी से क्वेश्चन बनाए जा सकते हैं. सो प्लीज़ रीड प्रॉपरली एंड थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.